Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you how I changed this chest of drawers and upgraded it, I painted it and put some paper on the front to turn it into still a chest of drawers, but it just looks completely different, gave an upgrade. The first thing I did was take off these stickers, luckily it came off in one go. Then I'm just using this gold metallic spray. It's not really expensive, it was only £6 from Wilkinson's. And I'm just going to do a few thin coats of this, leaving 15 minutes in between coats. It's not coming up on camera, but this is like a proper gold colour, but it doesn't look any different on camera, I don't know why. So I covered the whole thing in that, and also I'm going to be doing the sides of the drawers as well. So I'm putting the paper on the front of the drawers. I don't have to go over the front, just want to cover the sides. You can do also the back, that will be on the inside of the drawers. That's optional, because you're not actually going to see it. Then I'm going to spray the handles as well. So another thin layer on them. And then I've taken the handles off, and now I'm going to stick some paper on the front. So I'm using self-adhesive spray. And I'm going to be using this Lion King wrapping paper. Yep, it's wrapping paper. But I thought I'd use that because I had it lying about and thought why not. So I'm going to use plenty of the spray, make sure it's on all the corners and all the sides so I don't get any corners like coming up from the paper. I'm going to take the paper, carefully line it up and flatten it out. So you don't want any creases or bubbles in it. And with me, I like to cut the paper too big, slightly too big, so that means like if I don't get it quite in the right space, it doesn't matter because I can just cut off the excess afterwards. Whereas if I cut it the exact right size, I know I won't get it straight and I'll have to patch it up, which won't look very good. So I'm just cutting off the excess that I don't need, and then we're nearly done. So because this is wrapping paper and it's nothing like really sturdy, you want to cover this with something. So I am going to use some spray varnish. You can give it a coat of Mod Podge or something, but this was just really easy to use and I already had some, so I don't have to go out and buy it. So once that's all dry, I am going to poke the holes through the paper where the handle goes, and then I'm just going to pop the handle back on and then attach it back to the drawer. And that's pretty much done then. So this was probably the most fiddly bit, trying to get the handle actually back on. It came apart like really easily, but then putting it back on was a bit fiddly. But I think it looks so much better now. So I don't have to go really expensive for a new set of drawers. I just updated the ones I've got. But I do think I need to go back and give it one more coat of gold paint. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna pop it back on, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. See, so much better. So I'm quite happy with it. So let me know if you want to see any more like these upcycled type things, videos. I ain't got a whole lot to do at the moment, but I'm sure I'll come up with a few ideas. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye!